alaikum. Welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the second video of the natural language processing tutorial series, and in this video we will talk about some basic terms in the natural language processing before we start. Okay, and then we will coding some basic coding. I will show you in the tokenizing how you can tokenize the words or sentence. Okay, so the first terms that is the most used term in natural language processing, that is tokenizing. So what is tokenizing? To understand about the tokenizing, just consider this text, that is hello, good morning, this is Nasir Soft, comma, hope you are fine. So when we apply the tokenizing, so if we apply the word tokenizing here, so it will separate each word and consider it as a token. For example, hello is a one word token, the good, then the morning is another token, and then it's considered the comma is as a next token, and then this is Nasir Soft and so on. So it separates each words and consider is as an word tokenizing. And in Python, by using the nltk library, we use the word underscore tokenize method for tokenizing the the, for example, some sentence in a word. Okay, so similarly we can apply the sentence tokenizing. If we apply the sentence tokenizing to this sentence, then hello, good morning, this is a one token, it considered this as an one token. Basically this is a sentence token, and so therefore, and then this is the Nasir Soft, it considers this one as another token, and hope you are fine is another token. So this is how we can apply the tokenization by in nltk. So the method that is used, send underscore tokenize, in nltk for tokenization the send as sentence wise. So I will show it to you later. So the next important term that is used in natural language processing, that is corpus, or you can pronounce it corpora. A corpora is a body of text. So what it means? A body, it can be a collection of medical journal. For example, a corpora is a full textbook, or a grammars, our daily life activities, or anything in the English language. Okay, so this is all about the corpus. For example, if you are interested by in reading some journals, then journal is whole corpora, considered as a whole corpora in natural language processing. So the next important term, that is lexicon. So this is most important. You should know about the difference between the lexicon and corpora. So if I talk about the lexicon, it is the words and their meaning. So what it means, for example, if I use the term that is pitch. Okay, so what it means, for cricket, a pitch is the place where bowler throw a ball to the batsman. Or if we talk about in the sound, okay, so it in sound, the pitch means something else. So the lexicon basically refers to the words and their meaning. So every field there is a special lexicon. Okay, so if I use the pitch, so if my surrounding or my background is talking is about the cricket, then we consider the pitch as a cricket terminology. Or else if I talk about that this woman pitch sound pitch is very low or high, so this is something else meaning. Okay, I will use the pitch in something else. So this is the lexicon that refers to the words and their meaning. So after understand about the basic terms in the NLTK, that is natural language processing. Okay, so now this is our first program of understanding about the tokenize. As we already talk about the tokenize, there is two type of tokenize. I am here to show you. The first is the sentence tokenize, and then the word tokenize. So first we import the NLTK after installing the NLTK in the previous video. Okay, so after installing, you can import the nltk and nltk.tokenize, and this is basically, I have installed the nltk package in somewhere else. directory. So therefore I include that directory or include all the nltk package. If you install inside your same project, then you don't need to append to give the path to nltk of the nltk library. So after that one, from nltk tokenize, we import the sentence tokenize and word tokenize, and this is our text, that is hello good morning, this is Nasir Soft, hope you are fine. And then I will show you how the sentence send underscore tokenize method, if we pass the text to it, then it will tokenize by sentence wise of this text. If I execute this, then you will see here it hello good morning, this is a one token, and this is Nasir Soft is another token, and hope you are fine is another token. So basically it splits the whole text by the sentence wise and tokenized it. So okay, if we pass here the word tokenize method with the same text, I again execute, then you will see here, and now it tokenize each word and consider it as a separate token. Hello is separate token, good is separate token, morning is separate token, next comma is the separate token, and so on. So this is how you can apply the tokenize by using the nltk in python. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can email me at nasirsoft93@gmail.com. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay connected to this tutorial series to learn about the basic of nltk. Stay blessed, have a nice day.